Today I'm going to talk about a fridge I bought from my generator. It's a CRX140 compressor fridge which operates on 12 volt and 240. It replaces a three-way Dometic absorption fridge which we found wasn't performing well in temperatures of low to mid 30s. We've replaced it with this new CRX140, and the CRX went straight into the cavity in the kitchen area without any modifications to the cabinet. The new fridge is a 136 litre capacity, whereas the old fridge was 107 litre capacity, so it actually has increased our fridge space by about 30%. This fridge loves temperatures in the mid to high 30s on the 3/4 setting, whereas the other one was really struggling at 35 and below. This one will keep food at 2 to 3 degrees constantly at that 3/4 setting in the high 30s without any problem opening and closing the fridge door, etc. The guys at my generator, I bought it online from them. They were terrific. The price they gave us was hundreds cheaper than going to your local RV or caravan dealer and buying it off the floor. Exactly the same fridge. Their service was spectacular, was excellent. A couple of questions and they answered those promptly, and the service was great. The delivery was within 3 days to our door in regional Victoria. I can't fault these guys, and we'll definitely be shopping with them in the future for other requirements we have. Thank you.